Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Section 4.12, the ultimate guide on Excel tables. Excel tables are a nifty little feature that makes calculations simple. If you're not one into the calculation side of Excel, tables will resolve or fix a lot of that automatically. It makes your life simple. What we'll talk about in this session is the development or the design of a table. Here, we have a range of information. We have an order number in row 6. This is referred to as a header row. We have items, we have colors. We just have a list of merchandise, the number of items sold last month, and the number of items sold this month. Let's just say it's the end of July. Right now, it's just a simple flat range. What we want to do is we want to put this into a table format. Why? Because with a table, it will automate the process a bit in terms of calculations and the sorting of data and organization.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.